Ang Philippine Air Force Got Talent ay isang paligsahan ng galing sa showmanship ng mga sundalo ng Air Force mula sa iba't ibang mga Air Wing Commands ito sa buong kapuluan. Pinangunahan ni Air Force Chief Lieutenant General Oscar Rabena ang kompetisyon na bago magtapos ay pinaunlakan din ng grupo ni na Colonel Romy Taguinod na kumanta ang Commanding General ng Air Force na labis na ikinutuwa ng mga manonood.
Gentlemen, really, he is the original member of the Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts.
Maging ang mga asawa ng mga opisyal ng Air Force ay nagpamalas din ng kanilang piyesa at ito ay pinangunahan ni Ginang Jose Rabena, ang may bahay ni Air Force Chief Lieutenant General Oscar Rabena.
This event, which is Air Force Got Talent, is one of the pre-anniversary activities that we have lined up in connection with the 63rd founding anniversary of the Air Force. And dito, isinocase yung talent ng iba't ibang air bases, Clark, Villamor, Sangli, Basa, Mactan, sa Palawan at saka sa Zamboanga. And I'm very happy to see the talents displayed by our airmen, our personnel. At kami ay nagalak. The people here were actually, they enjoyed a lot and they were entertained. And it is a display of, again, the multi-talented skills of the airmen.
Si Lieutenant General Oscar Rabena, RH 911, Bing Fermento ng DZRH Nationwide.